Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and they sent me this beautiful curly ready to go wig. And when I say ready to go, I mean ready to go. The wig came with the lace already cut off, the edges are jagged, so it's not like straight or given boxy. The only thing that I had to do was pretty much bleach it, and that's just me personally. You don't have to bleach it. There are lots of people that actually just put foundation on the wig and go about the day. Me, I'm a bleach the wig type of gal, so I have to definitely do that. So before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. Alright, so this is a 24-inch deep wave, and I think it is 5x5 closure wig. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the details of the wig. Now for what they actually sent me inside the package. So they sent me some clips that, you know, comes in handy when you're installing your wigs. Ooh, I really wish I saw this stocking cap. So they sent me the invisible HD wig cap. I really wish I saw it before I did this wig, but regardless, I didn't really need to like hide anything because this wig was HD lace and it's giving melt. They sent me some bonnet, some lashes, the Tinashe headband, edge brush, and some bobby pins. And of course, the Tinashe bag, so you could put your wig in it when you're done wearing it. And that's pretty much it for the package and the wig. Now if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm back with another glueless wig, another ready to go wig. And we all know the ready to go wigs are the jagged edges, because it does not give that boxy look. You can literally just put it on, no glue, no spray, no nothing, and it's supposed to melt. Now let's see if this one is going to melt as well. I think it's supposed to, because it has the bands in the back that's going to keep it tight, and it also has the jagged edges, which is not going to make it look like too straight on the head. So it's supposed to work.
Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all desire. Anything comes. Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe.
Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I'd love to thank Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video. The wig, the details, all of that, it will be down in the description box. So the details for the wig, their website, if I have a coupon code, all of that will be down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. But once again, this is the end. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.